Lean certification validates, acknowledges, and reinforces the importance of the many years I've spent practicing and learning Lean.
My Lean certification is validation that I understand and can apply Lean principles even though I've never worked in a traditional manufacturing environment.
Certification allows me to demonstrate the pride that I have in the career choices I've made.
I use my Lean certification to encourage myself to continue my own development and to help others with theirs.
Lean certification brings additional credibility to my work as a Lean trainer and consultant.
I use my certification to encourage others to pursue Lean operational excellence.
Get your Lean certification, and you too can have the credibility and knowledge to take your career to the next level.